Wooden chairs have long been a staple in furniture design, prized for their durability, versatility, and aesthetic appeal. The natural beauty of wood, with its unique grains and colors, allows for a wide range of design possibilities. From rustic farmhouse styles to sleek modern aesthetics, wooden chairs can fit seamlessly into various interior design themes, making them a popular choice for both homes and commercial spaces. 2. Material selection. The choice of wood is fundamental in chair design, as it influences not only the appearance but also the functionality and longevity of the piece. Hardwoods like oak, cherry, and walnut are often favored for their strength and resistance to wear. Each type of wood offers distinct characteristics. For instance, oak has a pronounced grain, while maple has a finer texture. Designers may also consider bamboo or reclaimed wood for a more sustainable approach, promoting eco-friendliness in furniture production. 3. Ergonomics and comfort. A well-designed wooden chair prioritizes user comfort through ergonomic principles. This means considering the shape and height of the seat, backrest curvature, and armrest placement. A contoured seat that supports the natural posture of the body can enhance comfort during prolonged use. Additionally, the height of the chair should accommodate varying table sizes, ensuring a pleasant dining or working experience. 4. Aesthetic elements. The aesthetic appeal of wooden chairs is enhanced through various design techniques. Designers can incorporate intricate carvings, inlays, or even mixed materials, such as metal or upholstery, to create a unique look. Finishing techniques, such as staining or painting, can further accentuate the wood's natural beauty or provide a pop of color to match specific decor. These aesthetic elements contribute to the chair's overall style, making it a statement piece in any room. 5. Sustainability in design. With increasing awareness of environmental issues, sustainability has become a critical factor in furniture design. Many contemporary wooden chair designs prioritize sustainable sourcing, using wood from responsibly managed forests or reclaimed materials. Water-based finishes and non-toxic adhesives are also gaining popularity, reducing the environmental impact of furniture production. This commitment to sustainability not only attracts eco-conscious consumers, but also helps preserve natural resources. In summary, wooden furniture chair design is a multifaceted discipline that combines artistry with functionality. By thoughtfully selecting materials, prioritizing comfort, and considering aesthetics and sustainability, designers can create chairs that are not only beautiful but also practical and environmentally friendly. As trends evolve, the enduring appeal of wooden chairs ensures they remain a cherished element in both traditional and modern interiors. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click subscribe, like and share buttons. The next video. Stay safe.